vector databases. These have been around since the beginning of large language models. They're starting to become more popular now. And the reason is you can take your incredibly messy data, turn them into what are called vectors, and search against that in a much quicker and in some ways more effective way. Semantic similarity. This is just a fancy way of saying of grouping things together that are similar or show up in similar spaces. So let's take the example of colors. Now, if we just take the word color, we can say things like yellow, blue, red, green are all going to be associated with the word color. We can even take this a step further. If we compare where yellow and blue might be associated with the color green, we can say that yellow and blue are going to have a stronger relationship to the color green because when we mix these two colors, we get green. So now we have our concept of color, and within that, we have each individual color. We run those through something called an embedding model, which all that is doing is converting it to math, more or less a set of coordinates that it's going to be putting on a graph. You can imagine now where we have all these colors in a three-dimensional space, right? So now we have, let's say, uploaded all of our messy files. We've turned them into coordinates, which we can then query using a large language model and match.